Have you ever felt bloated or like you had no energy? Have you ever noticed that your skin was breaking out and looked dry and dull? How about you constantly get sick or you were struggling to recover from a sickness or an injury? All of these things could be related. The food that you put into your body can have an effect on every aspect of your life. I have been an athlete for 12 years now, and just recently I started to do more research and found out that the food I was putting in my body was causing all of my issues. I never had energy. I was constantly getting hurt. I would get sick all the time. And since changing my diet, I have noticed that I have so much more productivity in my life. Today, I will be discussing the benefits of eating healthy. I will also give some good food choices to integrate into your life and the best way to make these life changes a permanent change, not just a diet that was gone in a week. There are many benefits to eating healthy. It can help you to feel better, have more energy, have good digestion, keep you from getting sick, and it can also heal your body. The CDC says that if you incorporate protein, vegetables, and fruits into your diet, you can lower your risk of heart disease, blood clots, and diabetes. This leads us to the second point of what kinds of foods can give you all of these benefits. The main three important foods that I like to highlight are proteins, fruits, and vegetables. Sarah Clem from Get Right says that if you can incorporate more protein into your body, you are more likely to heal and recover faster from any type of illness or injury. Fruits and vegetables can also give you vitamins that can help your body to look better and function better. It can help you with your digestion and keep your system functioning at the highest level possible. Fruits can give you vitamins E, A, and C, and they can help you to just feel better all the time. Integrating these fruits may sound like a challenge, but you just have to find things that you like. You really want to make your life a little bit easier by finding foods that taste well. So you may be saying to yourself, all of these things sound great, but how do you do that? Well, I'm going to give you just a few tips that I've used that have seemed to make a huge difference. The first thing you need to do is, like I said, find foods that you like. It's not a diet. The long-term goal is not to diet yourself until you're miserable. Integrate one fruit or vegetable into every meal and you will see a huge difference in every aspect of your life. You need to remove all the processed foods. This is a huge problem right now in our world because fast food restaurants are so convenient. Jessica Booth from Redbook says that the best way to eliminate this temptation is to make a grocery list at the beginning of the week. Go into the store with a goal in mind of what you're going to get. That will keep you from getting processed foods in the store. And then when you're home, make the foods for your lunch or for different meal options throughout the week. That way, you won't be tempted to stop by those gas stations or fast food restaurants because they're convenient because you have food at home. The last thing I want to say is this is not a diet. This is not supposed to be strict and hard. Preparing yourself for success by integrating healthy foods into your life, you have to start by giving yourself some grace. Don't be so strict on yourself if you want to have a piece of cake every now and then. This shouldn't be something that ruins your life. Healthy foods can still be a major part of your life and keep some of your guilty pleasures every now and then. The best thing to do is to just realize that you have control over what you put into your body. To wrap up today, I talked to you about the benefits of eating healthy, about the best foods to incorporate into your diet, and some helpful tips to make these things long-lasting. Healthy eating does not have to be a punishment, and it does not have to be miserable. I hope you can take some of these things that I've said today and integrate them into your life. Thank you for your time.